Hello, hello. I'm sharing with you today 5 things you can do to reset your business for the new year. I love a clean slate. I'm always motivated to organize all the things and start off ready to tackle new year in my business. Oh, and in case you don't know me, I'm Mariah and my business is Bloom Hustle Grow. I help service-based entrepreneurs get their business operations organized and optimized to make the hustle happier. Each Monday, you can find a new video to help you get your business running smoother. So make sure to hit subscribe. Now let's dive into those 5 items so you can start your new year with a clean slate. The first item is review the past year and plan for the year ahead. It's really important in business to take time to stop and reflect on what's going on in your business and have a path to follow for the year ahead. Essentially, you want to be clear on what's working and what's not working in your business. What strategies in your business should you keep pursuing, and what strategies should you let go of or no longer spend time on? Make a plan for where you're going to focus on your business in the new year. What kind of marketing strategies are you going to follow? What kind of offers are you going to put out or produce? Where are you going to spend your time within your business and on your business? Maybe the coming year is more about maintenance and refining what you're already doing in your business. It doesn't have to all be about the next new thing in your business. It can also be about refining what you're already doing. Make sure you're really clear on what's worked and what's not working in your business, and then what you're going to focus on in the new year. The next item is review your public-facing information. So this is your website and all your social media profiles. Make sure all your points of contact are up to date and reflect what you're actually offering now. And don't forget to check those links and contact forms. The third item is clean up your files. Desktop, computer files, Google Drive, Dropbox, wherever you're storing all your information, up your files. Desktop, computer files, Google Drive, Dropbox, wherever you're storing all your information. Delete old client files that you no longer need. Move files that you don't need to access to an external hard drive. Clean off your desktop. Move any files you don't need to access to new folder or like prior year folders. For example, I produce graphics for all my content, and so those live in a folder, but each year I create a new folder. So I'm not digging through all of 2020's old blog graphics when I create a new blog graphic. You don't want to be digging through years of files for any reason. Number 4 is conduct a tools audit. Now is the perfect time to review the tools that you're using in your business and make sure you're no longer paying for tools you don't need or paying for tools at a level that you're not utilizing. So it's really good to go through what tools you're paying for, as well as like what level you're paying for them at, because maybe you are no longer using it at that same level. I have a tool audit kit for you, which is a spreadsheet and a list of questions to help you review your tools, and you can find a link to that below in the description. And then finally, number 5, do the damn thing. Is there anything you've been putting off getting done? You know the kind of things I'm talking about. Maybe it's setting up a new invoicing system or getting your bookkeeping organized. If you've had that same thing on your to-do list all year long, make time and actually just check that off. Don't carry it into the new year with you for that guilt to just like stay on there and on your to-do list where you're like, oh, I should really like look into that. I should do that. Go ahead and schedule time right now to get that knocked out so it's not hanging over your head for another year. Either set aside a day or set aside an hour a day for the next couple weeks, depending on the scope of the project. Trust me, you'll feel so good to finally check that item off. Want a full list to help you start the new year off on a clean slate? Grab the end of year checklist to help you start your year off on the best foot in your business. It feels so good to clean off my computer, clean out my inbox, and I feel like I'm starting the new year off right. You can get the same feeling by following the exact checklist I use in my business to clean up my business operations at the end of each year. The link is in the description below. I hope that you take time right after this video to do a couple of these things that I listed. And if you don't have time today, go ahead and schedule in time to do them this week. And I promise you'll feel like you're starting the new year off on the right foot.